My Butt is So Noisy by Don McMillan. My butt is so noisy. My butt brings me shame. It makes weird noises, and I get the blame. As extraordinary sounds escape from my butt. Hooting and tooting, clicking and ticking, humming and strumming, clanking and banging, a skip and a strut.
Scusi.
My butt behaves in a most mischievous way. Such bad manners when folks come to stay. They hear a phone ringing, sweet sounds of singing, and whistling and chirping, and burping and burgling. And popping and squeaking when Auntie is speaking, then a crash and a boom, and Uncle leaves the room. My cousins, though, 4 of them boys, all want a butt that makes lots of noise. And while they try hard, it seems very strange. Each of their butts has a limited range. Not a horn-blowing boat, not a musical tote. No snorting, no snoring. My cousins are boring, but my butt makes sounds beyond belief. And
Access denied.
they breathe and they sigh and they hold their heads high. And amid all the stares and fuss and the tiz, they say, he's our boy and he's fine as he is. I need a new butt, a butt that is quiet, a butt that is good and won't cause a riot, a butt that doesn't go honk in the park, a butt that won't scare the dogs with the bark. A butt with no sirens, a butt with no squeals, a butt with no sounds of fast screeching wheels, no slapping, no clapping, no rapping or zapping, no blipping or banging, no clinging, no clanking.
Scusi. Shut up, do it.
But wait! Somebody is coming, somebody is running, and then I hear so loud and so clear. We found him, he's perfect, just what we need. We'll sign him at once, when all is agreed. And now,
Viewer discretion is advised.
my butt's in the movies. I am so proud. My butt makes the noises gentle and loud, just the right noises to go with the story.
This summer,
Like big booming explosions to go with the glory. All my hooting and hollering has quite a following. I do splishes and splashes, collisions and crashes, each cough and each sneeze. All the wind in the trees, the sound of tornadoes, the swarming of the bees. All the waves rolling in, all the thunder and din. Yes, my butt is the greatest, and here is the latest. butt is famous. I'm known worldwide. I have the loudest, the proudest, the the nos uproarious, victorious. A sound system backside. The end.